Water districts in the future will not be able to accomplish their mission and mandate without engaging the customer, not just as a customer, but as a partner. Subeca has the ability to take an existing, frankly, dumb meter and within about 5 to 10 minutes and make that meter not smart, but genius.
The easy way to explain it is that it gives you control. It's giving you control whether you're at your property, away from your property, traveling. You can see your consumption and usage in real time. The customer actually has data at their fingertips. There's a lot of opportunity for savings in different ways.
I can turn on my dishwasher, or I can turn on my shower, and I can literally map my appliances, my water use appliances, to understand exactly which appliances use how much water when they're running. And then when I'm not home and I see something turned on, I can have a good idea of whether that's my irrigation system and it should be running, or that's something else that should not be running.